Good morning, guys. We just came back from breakfast and now we're gonna get packing and ready to go. We're actually going to Seattle Children's Museum. We are just gonna pack and check out right now. I don't know how I managed to pack everything down, but now everything is exploded. I don't know what's going on here. We're leaving. Goodbye, hotel room. See you later. Alligator. Old school joke. All packed up, ready to go. We're just gonna walk over. We're just parked. We're heading over to the Children's Museum. Just walking over. Few minutes walk to the secret cave. Whoa! Very cool place. Are they camping? They camping, baby? You can't take them. You have to put them back. But you can. How do you build a fire, babies? Good job. Okay. Done? Is that a good fire? All your groceries on the table. Remember the eye doctor?
Hey, whoa, how can you take this out?
Hello, little builders. The ducky's okay?
I need a cat.
You need a cat. Okay, find a cat. What's the
This is blowing the air. What happened here?
Yeah, you need to scan it and then ship it out for me. Thank you.
Okay,
How much is it? Do I have to pay?
it's $1,000.
Oh my gosh, you're super expensive carrier. Okay, thank you.
Excuse me. I think there was.
Yeah, you gotta wait and then you beep beep and see how much it costs. Are you mailing the stuff out, Zach?
Zach, you want to mail this?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh my god. Pass.
Yeah, roll it up.
Oh, yeah.
What are you making, sweetie? So pretty.
Kind of hard. There you go. So cute. What animal is that? The slime? Good. Good job.
We stayed in the Children's Museum for roughly 2 hours because the parking was quite expensive, to be honest, for 2 hours. So we just left. It's just past noon right now and we are heading back to Canada. This was such a short and sweet trip that is not too bad and perfect for young children to do without stressing them out too much. It stresses me out though because I'm driving in a whole new area that I've never been before, so that's nerve-wracking. But other than that, it was such a great little trip over the weekend. We have finally arrived at the border crossing roughly 3 hours later, and we are about to see the customs. We only lined up for like 15 minutes. I think it's because we are back so early. I would think most people would stay till like dinner time and then head back from Seattle. So because of that, we didn't wait that long at all.
Hi. How are you?
How are you guys?
Good.
Where's home?
Okay, just finished talking to the customs, nice and friendly, welcome us home without an issue. We are back, Canada. We're finally back home. Home, sweet home. We had so much fun during this trip and I hope you like it too. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye. I'm gonna go to sleep.